Hello, hi. So let me share my screen. I have not started the software. Let me see. Start the software. Let us start. So yesterday, whatever we have discussed, it's clear, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
Gopal.
Yeah. So yesterday we have discussed. So we can be able to create the interface using PCF. Okay. Quick recall actually, whatever we have discussed. So the front end interface, right? Yes. So we will develop using PCF. Okay. So the interface, whatever you want to develop as for the client requirement, you are going to develop that interface using completely the PCF. But so it won't happen automatically, right? They have some the guidelines actually. Guidewire people will provide you some guidelines. Okay. So according to the guidelines, you have to develop the interface. Of course, it's a drag and drop only. Okay, drag and drop only, but they will provide you some guidelines. If you drag and drop everything in one screen, so it's clumsy, right? Yes or no? Okay, so they have provided some guidelines actually. According to the guidelines, we have to drag and drop it. Let me start the server. So this is the PPT about the PCF. Okay, user interface. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Gopal, you are
Vinpadunda?
audible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So the PCF, right? So in order to develop the interface, okay, even it's a drag and drop, but the guideware providing some guidelines, we have to follow them. Okay, so otherwise it would be very difficult to maintain, and is a difficult to, it would be lead to the clumsy actually. In order to avoid that, they have split the interface into multiple chunks. Okay, so we have to understand that and then we can utilize that. Okay, so
Sorry, can you say that again, Gopal?
yeah, so see, the front end interface is there now, on page.
Yeah.
Okay, so take any one of the page. I will show you. Let it open. It's loading actually. Server is loading. I will show you. Yesterday I showed you, right, the policy info screen. Have you remember?
Yes.
Policy info screen. Okay, so we have seen, right, some fields are there, a drop down is there. Okay, so other things are there as part of that page, right? They are splitting the PCF actually, the screens like a chunks, small chunks. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, so here we have the widget. Okay, So widget and location, they're splitting the PCF into two parts. One is the widget, another one is the location. Okay, so I will explain in detail, don't worry. These are the very high level. Okay, so widget, when it comes to the widget, we have the atomic widgets are there. Okay, so what is the atom?
Atom is like the smallest form of any element.
Any element, right? Okay, so if you take the any screen, what would be the smallest form? Means input box, check box, radio button. Okay, so all these things are the atomic widgets. Okay, just remember, whatever you are seeing in the screen, that comes under the widget. Whatever you are seeing in the screen, that will comes under the widget. Okay, so location means you are navigating from one page to another page. Okay, so that's what the location means. Is clear or not? కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వద్దండి. ఓకేనా? సో ఇప్పుడు మీకు యుఐ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ కదా నేను చెప్పింది, అంతేనా? డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాపే కదా?
యా గోపాల్.
డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాపే, కానీ ఎట్టబడితే మీరు అట్లా డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతే, ఒక ప్రోటోకాల్ లేకుండా, ఒక ప్రాసెస్ లేకుండా, ఒక ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ లేకుండా అది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? అసలు పేజ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? అది ఒక చూడటానికి అసలు ఉండదు, అసలు కస్టమర్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవద్దు కాదు, క్లమ్జీ అవుతుంది, గైడ్ వేర్ మెయింటైన్ చేయలేదు అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు. అవునా కదా?
ఓకే.
నువ్వు ఎట్ట పడితే డ్రాగ్ చేసి.
యా.
అలా కాకుండా వాళ్ళు ఏం చెప్తున్నారంటే మీరు డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాపే చేయండి. ఓకేనా? నో ప్రాబ్లం, మీరు డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాపే చేయండి, కానీ మేము కొంత ప్రాసెస్ చెప్తాం, ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ప్రకారం చేస్తే మాకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, మేనేజ్ చేయటం ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పేసి వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు. అంతే, మీరు దీని గురించి ఏమి పెద్దగా హైగా థింక్ చేయమాకండి. అర్థమైంది నేను చెప్పింది మీకు?
ఓకే.
వాళ్ళు
Yeah.
ఏమంటున్నారంటే, ఒక పేజ్ నుంచి మీరు ఇంకో పేజ్కి వెళ్తున్నారంటే, ఒక లింక్ ని క్లిక్ చేస్తే వేరే లొకేషన్కి వెళ్తుంది. ఓకేనా? సో అట్లా ఒక లొకేషన్ నుంచి యు ఆర్ చేంజింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ లొకేషన్ టు అనదర్ లొకేషన్, వన్ పేజ్ టు అనదర్ పేజ్, యు ఆర్ నావిగేటింగ్. యూజ్ ద లొకేషన్ process. We are displaying something. Okay, maybe a checkbox you are dragging, drop down, or anything. Okay, so that will comes under the widget. Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, see, I'm telling you, every day I'm telling you, open up your mouth, please don't be silent. Okay, so that when you are attending interview, you will feel, okay, that the Gopal tell the true only. Okay. While joining in company, after you join company, so first day itself you will feel, open your mouth. Okay, I'm telling you multiple times. So you're getting or not? Is there any difficulty?
No.
No, right? Sai Prasad,
No.
I will ask you why, because you are from non-IT. Okay, you have to understand. If you understand means everybody will understand. Okay, so what is widget? You tell me, what is widget?
It's the displayable elements of the UI.
డిస్ప్లేబుల్ ఎలిమెంట్, ఎనీథింగ్. మీరు యూఐలో, ఓకేనా, ఒక పేజ్ లో మీరు చూసేది ఏదైనా విడ్జెటే. ఓకేనా?
So basically, every single thing like a text
ఎవ్రీ
box or
సింగిల్
a
థింగ్,
drop down or any
ఎవ్రీథింగ్
text
సింగిల్ థింగ్. ఎస్,
field.
ఎస్, యు ఆర్ రైట్. వై?
Okay.
ఓకే,
Yeah.
మీరు యూఐలో ఏది చూసినా కూడా అది విడ్జెటే. ఓకేనా? ఒక పేజ్ నుంచి ఇంకో పేజ్కి నావిగేట్ అవుతున్నారు. ఓకేనా? ఒక లింక్ నుంచి ఇంకో ప్లేస్కి వెళ్తున్నారు. యువర్ నావిగేటింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు అనదర్ ప్లేస్ ఈస్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ ద లొకేషన్ యాక్చువల్లీ. క్లియర్, రైట్?
Yeah.
ఓకేనా? సో అగైన్ దే ఆర్ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ద విడ్జెట్ ఇంటూ మల్టిపుల్ చంక్స్. అగైన్ యు సీ, అటామిక్ విడ్జెట్స్ ఈస్ దేర్. అటామిక్ విడ్జెట్స్. సో అటామిక్ మీన్స్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ part, right? In atom bomb also we'll discuss what is atom. Atom is nothing but a smallest actually. Okay, so here you can read out what is this matter. Could you read out this matter?
An atomic widget is an atomic piece of interface content or functionality. used to display individual data values or execute individual actions. Okay.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
is an atomic piece, smallest part. Okay, UI only. Sorry, UI only. Within the UI, what is the smallest part you can take? You can take radio button, checkbox, or any other drop down. Okay, smallest part, whatever you take it. So that's what the atomic widgets. Is it clear? Okay.
Yeah, Gopal.
Yeah. So you can take it. Atomic widget means you can example they have given. Okay. So you can take atomic widget means, so you can see input box. So here you can take anything. Anything is a button is there. That's the atomic widget. Here cancel is there. That atomic widget. Add is there. Atomic widget. Remove is there. Atomic widget. Okay. So you can take this radio button, checkbox. All these are the atomic widgets only. This is the addresses is the page. Within that, all these are the, open your mouth, yaar. All these are the atomic widgets.
Atomic widgets.
Okay, clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Slowly, we are building the interface. Okay, we are building the interface. It's not happening automatically. It's not magic actually. Okay, so according to the guideware, based on their guidelines, we'll develop the interface. Okay, so before you go ahead and drag and drop, you have to understand these things so that you can manage the interface better way, and also guideware can be rest everything will take care easily, otherwise it would be difficult. Okay, so atomic, in these atomic widgets, okay, Sai Prasad, what is the city here?
Atomic widget.
Atomic widget, right? Okay, so now we will go ahead. Okay, so this entire thing, PCF, they have divided into two parts: widget, location.
And location.
So widget means whatever you are seeing. Okay, here you are seeing everything, right? Addresses, you are seeing all these things, right? Radio button, checkbox, business. Okay, so this address detail, everything, whatever you are seeing is a widget. But within this widget, there's again split into multiple parts. One, they are saying that, see, the smallest part is there, right? This is the atomic widget. You can take it. Okay, so likewise they are splitting. And another one is the container widget. Repeat, everybody, repeat.
Container widget.
Container
Container
widget.
widget.
Okay, so read
Container
out,
widget.
Sushant, sorry, Sai Prasad, read out this one.
A container widget is a collection of atomic widgets.
Yeah, enough,
And
enough. Just hold on. So what is this meaning? You tell me. Container widget is a collection of atomic widgets. What is this meaning?
So
small,
within
small
the
widgets.
Sorry.
It contains small atomic widgets.
Exactly. Okay.
yeah.
So previously we discussed, right? Atomic widgets means button. Okay, the radio button, checkbox, whatever we have discussed, na. So here container widgets means it's a collection actually. Take that atomic widgets as a collection. 10 input boxes are there. It's a collection. 5 buttons are there. It's a collection. Collection actually. Collection of atomic widgets is a container. Container, you know container, right? His name itself is explaining actually. Atomic, it's a smallest. Container, container widgets, it's having the multiple actually. Getting?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here you see why we need this container widgets used to organize the data and functionality into logical groups.
Okay.
Okay, so that's what organizing the data. See, we need this process. That's what I'm telling you now. We need this process so that guideware can manage these things very easily. Okay, instead of drag and drop randomly. Okay, so this is the process. Is it clear? Any doubts we have?
Yeah, it is clear.
Clear, right? So next is, you can see input sets is there. So we have within this container widgets, we have the multiple actually, detail view, input set, list view, card view, list detail view, screen. Okay, all these are the part of container widgets. Means, so this the means container widgets means is collection of atomic widgets, right?
Yeah.
Again, this atomic container widgets, they are divided into multiple. Okay, detail view based on their nature. Based on their nature, they divided the container widgets into multiple. So input set, list view, card view, list detail view, screen. Okay. So you see, the detail view. Detail view means within the screen you can see is a detail view. It's the input set. Okay, list view. List, right, is a table kind of thing. Is a list actually. You can see what we'll call is list, right? List of the employee IDs, list of the salaries. Yes or no?
Yeah.
You're getting, this is the list, right?
Yes.
So the table list kind of thing is the list view. Input sets, this is the so we have the input sets are there, multiple input sets. So that we are that are categorizing as multiple input set, one input set. Detail view. Okay, you take one row and explaining that in detail view. అర్థమవుతుందండి. ఇన్పుట్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఇన్పుట్స్ అనేవి కలిపి ఒక కలెక్షన్ చేశారు, అదే ఇన్పుట్ సెట్. టేబుల్ లాగా ఉంది కదా, రోస్, ఇది చూడండి, ఇది ఒక రో, మల్టిపుల్ కాలమ్స్, టేబుల్ లాగా ఉంది కదా, లిస్ట్ వ్యూ అంటారు దీన్ని. డీటెయిల్ వ్యూ అంటే మీకు ఇన్ డీటెయిల్గా ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుంది, డీటెయిల్ వ్యూ. ఓకే, ఇది క్లియర్ ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందండి?
Now it is clear, Gopal.
ఓకే, ఫైన్. సో detail view. So detail view, the finally focusing on single record, allowing user to view the view or edit existing the record, create the new record, use many atomic widgets to display the large amount of information, organizing in the columns. So here the purpose of the detail view means the objective here is focusing on the single record. Okay, so explaining in the detail. Okay, so that's what the detail view purpose. Is it clear? Detail view means even you take one record, it will be displayed and explain you very detail. I will show you practically. Okay, so list view means we discussed, right, is a table kind of thing. So allows user to view information about multiple records at the same time. So use small number of atomic widgets to display the most relevant information. Okay, so that's what the list view. Input sets can contain atomic widgets, can reused in detail views, cannot be referenced by screen views, can have the toolbar directly associated with them. Okay, so input sets. So card view, list. So card view is a collection of cards. Each one is one or more details view or list view. Okay, again, so the detail views is there na, list view, detail view. They're combining everything. So this is the card view. You can see personal info, phone number and address, bank accounts, analysis. Okay, so this kind of the information if you want, that's the card view. Okay, so again you can see list detail view. So list is there, detail view, both are there within this list detail view. Okay,
Okay.
so this would be initially bit confusing. Okay, don't worry, we'll discuss multiple times, you will get comfortable.
Gopal, are these just the definition for the sake of interview, or we will actually be using?
No, we'll be using actually.
Okay. So, like, in what context? For instance, like the client could say, "I need the card view layout." Then we use the card view. That's how.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
so again screens are the top level containers. So and we have the we have the every atomic widgets, primary view, secondary view content. So within the screen itself only we can maintain. Okay, so this is the overall architecture what Guidewire is giving you na. This is the overall architecture. This is the screen, we'll call it as a top level element. Okay, so we have the card view, list detail view. So list view is there, detail view is there. So likewise within this architecture, so you can drag and drop and develop the interface. This is the process. Okay, you can see. So you can come in this direction actually, from screen to card view. Okay, so card view to detail view, and card view to list view, detail view to input sets or atomic widgets. Getting or not?
Yeah, Papa.
ఓకేనా? సో మీకు చెప్పే కదండి, మనం మనం డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసేటప్పుడు దానికి ఒక ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ప్రకారమే చేయాలి. సో ఆ ప్రాసెస్ ప్రకారమే చేయాలండి. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు సో స్క్రీన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళు యారో మార్క్స్ పెట్టారు కదా, ఆ యారో మార్క్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ అటామిక్ విజెస్లో నేను లిస్ట్ వ్యూ పెడతా అంటే కుదరదు. లిస్ట్ వ్యూలో నేను స్క్రీన్ రాస్తా అంటే కుదరదు. రివర్స్ డైరెక్షన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఓన్లీ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద డైరెక్షన్ which they marked, that will be possible.
Okay.
Getting? From screen to card view it's possible, but card view to screen not possible.
Okay.
But at the same time, from screen, we can directly go for detail view and list view.
Yeah, that's possible actually. From screen to directly detail view you can possible. Okay, so this is the overall picture, you see. Okay, so again, till now we have discussed only widget. Sai Prasad,
Yeah, yes.
సో ఇనిషియల్లో కొంచెం మీకు డిఫికల్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. ఇనిషియల్లో మరి ఆ మాత్రం డిఫికల్ట్ కూడా లేకపోతే ఎలా అంటే మనకి, అవునా కదా, మన డెవలప్మెంట్ సైడ్ కదా, దట్టు గైడ్ వేరు బ్రాండ్. ఓకేనా? సో మనం ఎంత డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేసినా కూడా ఒక ప్రోటోకాల్ అనేది కంప్లీట్గా కంపల్సరీగా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. మీరు తీసుకుంటే సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ అయినా వర్క్ డే అయినా మీరు ఏ ప్రోడక్ట్ తీసుకున్నా సో వాళ్ళ ఒక ఓన్ స్ట్రాటజీ ఉంటుంది, అది ఫాలో అవ్వాల్సింది. ఓకేనా? ఈవెన్ గైడ్ వేర్ కూడా.
Can you go back to the previous screen once?
Yeah.
So where it says like on the right side, secondary views is collection of primary views organized by usability, and then the primary views is a single object or set of objects.
Exactly.
So what is the difference between primary view and an atomic widget?
You tell me actually. We already discussed it.
Did we?
We already discussed it. You tell me, bhai. Atomic widgets is the smallest part, right? Button, reader button, checkbox, whatever we discussed. Primary views means it's a related, okay, it's collection actually, collection of it. Okay, so maybe list view, detail view, whatever we discussed.
Collection of atomic widgets was what?
Exactly. That's what the primary views.
Like container widget.
Okay, so that's what you take the small parts and it's a collection actually. Okay, so that collection is a primary views. Again, you take these collections. Okay, so collection of the these primary views, maybe collection of the list view. Okay, so collection of the detail view is the second view. So screen is the top level container. So card view, right? I will show you. You see card view. Okay, so this is the detail view. It's a collection, right? Phone, personal info, one detail view. Okay, phone number is a detail view. Bank account details is a one detail view. Analysis is the one detail view. Yes or no?
Yeah, that's the card view we know. Like
card
that's
view,
the primary.
Sorry?
Which one is primary? Which one is the primary?
This is the primary. Detail view and list view is the primary.
Oh, so they both are known as primary.
Yes. It comes under the primary views.
And can you go to like slide 12? Slide 12. Bottom. Yes, this one. Okay, so basically this list detail view and card view, they fall under the category of secondary view.
Secondary view, yes.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the overall architecture of the PCF. Okay. So by following these guidelines, you can develop the interface actually easily. And another one is, till now we have discussed only widget, right? So location part. What is the location? Okay. So location మీకు సింపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఒక పేజ్ నుంచి ఏదైనా మీరు ఒక పేజ్లో ఉన్నారు, యువర్ రైట్ నౌ యూఆర్ ఇన్ ద సమ్ పేజ్ పాలసీ ఇన్ఫో స్క్రీన్. సో యు ఆర్ నావిగేటింగ్ టు ద డిఫరెంట్ స్క్రీన్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్. Okay. So that's what the location means. Not only that, you might be you have one link is there. If you click on it, it's going to the some payment page or some other page. Okay. So you are navigating from one page to different page or different location. That's what the location is. Getting?
Yeah.
Okay. So for within this, we have the location group is there, page is there, widget is there, widget. So pop-up is there. You know pop-up?
Yeah.
Pop-up, you know, right? So one box will come. Okay. Worksheet is there,
Yeah.
forward is there, exit point is there. So all these are the points which will navigate from the location where you are. For example, you currently you are in policy summary page. So if you click on any one of it, it will navigate to the different page altogether, or pop up or worksheet, something like that. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So they divide the entire the PCF into two parts. One is
Oh, although the Guidewire people, they chose a confusing name for the functionality of location, isn't it? Like
yeah,
location,
of
if
course,
you look at the word location, you will be like, okay, it's going to be anything at one place. But
huh.
these people are referring location to the navigation itself, right?
Navigation itself. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So we have the again, for example, if you are navigating from one page to another page. సాయి ప్రసాద్, మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారు కదా, మీరు సైలెంట్గా ఉన్నారు ఈరోజు.
లేదండి, నేను యాక్చువల్లీ
జాన్వి,
అవుట్ సైడ్ ఉన్నా,
అవునా?
డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అవుతుందని చెప్పి మైక్ ఆన్ చేయడం లేదు.
ఓకే. జాన్వి,
డిస్టర్బెన్స్.
Yes, Gopal.
ఓకే. సో ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు కదా?
Yes, yes.
ఓకే, ఓకే. సో
వన్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ కార్డ్ వ్యూ లిస్ట్.
ఏంటి
కార్డ్ వ్యూ లిస్ట్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను.
చేస్తా.
కన్ఫ్యూజన్.
ఇంతలోకి అవ్వలేదు. ఓకే. సో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, నేను మొత్తం ఇన్ డీటెయిల్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద లొకేషన్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ. యూ మే కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పాలసీ ఇన్ఫో స్క్రీన్. Okay. So if you are coming from the policy info screen, okay, so again within the new page you have the బాబు అది తీసుకెళ్ళండి.
What happened, Gopal? Sound రావట్లేదు.
వస్తుందండి ఇప్పుడు?
Yeah, even I can't hear you.
What about now? Hello?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah. So I only muted actually, some disturbance is coming. So these are the locations actually. You may come from the policy info screen, okay, policy summary page, somewhere you are coming actually. Okay. Again, this process is common. New page also you have to follow this process. When you are developing a new page, right? So you have to follow this process. Getting what I'm talking about? Location is the newly added. Okay. So okay. So this is the overall the picture including locations. Okay. The PCF is an, yeah, till now we'll discuss one more time.
Gopal, can we quickly go to the very last screen, the 17 screen?
17. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Uh.
Because this gives all the
This give the overall picture. Okay.
yeah,
So this is the PCF, entire PCF, which you
yeah,
can drag and drop within this process actually.
right,
Based on their guidelines, you can be able to drag and drop.
right.
Okay. So we'll discuss. I repeat once again. Okay. So I'm going. Let me start. Okay. So yesterday we discussed, right? PCF means just drag and drop. But within that just drag and drop, as per the guidelines only we can do it. We discussed. Okay. So PCF, entire PCF, they divide into two parts. One is the widget, another one is the location. Location means you are navigating from one page to another page, one page to one pop-up, one page to some other location, maybe payment gateway, somewhere you are going. Okay, so you are leaving your page and to the different screen or page, something like that. That's the location actually, according to the guideware. Okay.
Yeah,
According to the guideware. Widget means, so what widget is nothing but whatever you're seeing in the screen, that's what the widget. That's what the widget. Okay, getting? So this develop, see, usually yesterday we discussed na, in order to develop the interface for you, you should be comfortable with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Bootstrap, and other CSS frameworks. Okay, that is also the tedious job. It's not pretty straightforward. So, but in Guideware, if you know this functionality, if you know this architecture, you can be able to do that very easily. Okay, initially you have to understand so what exactly they are doing, then you can comfortably, you can be able to drag and drop. Okay, getting?
yeah.
Yeah. So let me go top and okay, so this is the architecture, this is the widget actually. Widget, what they are saying na, widget, they are splitting into multiple parts again. Atomic widgets, atomic widgets. So the smallest part you take it. Okay, so you let me open this application. Application is ready, I think. Let me open this. Yeah, application launched.
So this is basically what we are seeing is screen.
Yeah, this is the actually the screen. Okay, so you can see, let me take this one. Click on the actions, sorry, account. Okay, so click on the actions, new submission. Okay. Take the LOB, commercial auto, for example. Policy info screen. Okay, so you can see this is the policy info screen, right? Okay, policy info screen. You can see here. So this, what is this term type according to the guideware?
It's atomic.
Widget.
Atomic widget, right?
Yeah,
Atomic widget. Term number, effective date, expiry date. Okay, so even you can take this button and this calendar box. Okay, so SSN number, all these things are the SSN numbers. Sorry, atomic widgets.
yeah,
Okay, so this policy details, all these are the input boxes are there na. So this is comes under the input set. If you have multiple inputs are there, so that will comes
yeah.
under the input set.
Okay.
Okay, so if the table is there, you see this is the table, right? This table kind of thing is, so this table is comes under the list view.
List view.
Okay, so we have the shortcut is Alt Shift E. Alt Shift E. Okay, repeat everybody.
Alt Shift E.
Alt
Shift
Shift
E.
E.
Repeat multiple
Shift
times.
E.
Repeat it.
Alt Shift E.
Alt Shift
Alt
Alt
Shift
Shift
E.
E.
Alt Shift E.
Okay,
E.
so what it will do? It will from the front end to studio. Okay, so corresponding PCF page తీసుకెళ్తుంది. Okay, you are navigating corresponding PCF page. We discussed, right? Okay, what we have discussed. So this is you are developing one interface. Sai Prasad follow అవుతున్నావా?
Yeah, okay.
సో ఇది అంతా ఏంటిది? ఇది ఎలా డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నావు ఈ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ని?
Using atomic widgets.
కాదు ఓవరాల్ గా నేను మీకు చెప్పా కదా, నేను ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేస్తాం?
User of PCF.
PCF మీరు రిపీట్ చేయండి అని నేను చెప్తున్నా కదా, అందుకనే రిపీట్ చేయాలి మీరు.
ఓకే,
ఓకేనా?
ఒకసారి అది నోట్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయరా?
ఏది
నోట్స్
పీపీటీయా? ఇదా?
Alt plus Shift plus no
నోట్స్ కాదండి, అది స్టూడియో. నేను చేస్తాను. సో ఓకేనా? సో ఇక్కడ ఇది ఎలా డెవలప్ చేశారు చెప్పండి మీరు. ఈ స్క్రీన్ ఇప్పుడు పాలసీ ఇన్ఫో స్క్రీన్ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని ఎలా డెవలప్ చేశారు వాళ్ళు? ఈ ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ ఎలా డెవలప్ చేస్తామండి మనం? నేను చెప్పా కదా మీకు PCF. సో ఈ PCF తో డెవలప్ చేస్తాం. జస్ట్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ తో మనం డెవలప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అని yesterday I already told you, right? So how can we do that? Okay, so I'm explain you. So we this is the policy info screen, right? We need to navigate to this PCF. Getting what I'm talking about? In order to navigate to the PCF, corresponding PCF, we have the shortcut. Repeat everybody. నేను అడిగినప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పలేకపోతున్నాను, రిపీట్ చేయనప్పుడు రిపీట్ చేయట్లేదు. Alt Shift E రిపీట్ చేయండి. Alt Shift E. ఉన్నారా? షిట్, నేను లేనా? నా స్క్రీన్ కనిపిస్తుందండి? హలో హలో హలో
Gopal, you are not audible.
Sorry. Actually, some network issue. What about now? Can you hear me? Hello. Hello.
Yes, now
Okay.
you are
No,
audible.
okay.
Sorry. Some network issue. Sorry. So I mean, this is the interface, right? This is the page. Okay. So how can we develop this interface using PCF? Okay.
Yeah.
How they developed this PCF? In order to see that, or if you want to add some fields, what is the shortcut from front
Alt
end to
Shift
PCF?
E.
Alt Shift E. Again, tomorrow I will ask you. If you are not telling, means you are not repeating actually. Alt Shift E. Okay, Alt Shift E. So it will navigate to the your studio.
లేవు
Okay.
డాడీ అన్ని మా అమ్మ వేసేసారు
So
బయట తందకు ఉన్నాయి చూడు.
just you can see this is the complete submission widget PCF is there. Okay, let me close these things. So you have navigated to submission widget PCF.
PCF.
Okay, so we have one second. I'll this. You see what is this widget? WIZARD. WIZARD. Widget. Okay, getting what I'm talking about? This is the location actually. Okay, means from here you can be able to navigate to the different screens. Okay, so you see widget, widget, it comes under the which one? Location group. Okay, so just you take this. You have the policy info screen is there. So here click on it, it will open the okay, so the policy info screen PCF. So just search for the policy details. You see policy details. So you see term type, term number, effective date, expiry date, written. Okay, so all these things are there, right? Okay, what you will do now, just double click it, just double. Okay, so it will redirect to the actual PCF. This is the PCF. Getting or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you read it out. What is there inside? I mean, the last one, input set. So this is also would be part of that input set. You see, this is parts of the container widget input set. Getting?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is how you can be able to develop the interface. Okay.
And Gopal, within this studio, when you say like it's a drag and drop thing, how do you drag and drop things?
Exactly. Yeah, I will tell you. So here toolbox is there. Guidewire is providing you the toolbox. Okay. So by using this toolbox, you can be able to drag and drop whatever you want. For example, you want the text input. Okay, so you want the text input. Just take this and drag and drop to here. So you see, I have dragged and drop. You want any other radio button or checkbox or any other you want, you can be able to drag and drop it.
Got it.
Got it right?
Yes.
So yeah, I will tell you this. I will tell you. Okay, so as of now, let me delete this one. But so you can see entire PCF. Okay, entire PCF, it would be comes under any one of it. Either it would be input set or list view or input or page or widget, pop up, any one of it. Based on that, so we have to configure it. Getting?
Yes.
Okay, so if we go for the small set, it will comes under the atomic widget. If you want the detail view, it will comes under the container widgets. Okay, if you take the pop-up or worksheet or exit point, anything, it just comes under the location. You have to think it and just drag and drop.
Can you show an example of pop-up as well? Like you showed the wizard example.
Widget, I will show you later actually. That will be
Okay,
comes under the next sessions.
okay.
Okay.
And Gopal, I have one question. Like,
Hmm.
if let's say atomic is basically the very tiny part, and
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
in order to see couple of atomic widgets together, then comes the container,
Exactly.
and then they have like their
Hmm.
separate navigation groups
Hmm.
calling location, right?
Yes.
In day-to-day terms, like what exactly these things play roles out there?
Yeah. So, uh, as I already mentioned, so most of the stuff will be taken care by the Guidewire itself.
Okay,
You won't create the complete screen from scratch. Mostly, you won't do
okay,
that. Okay. So your
yeah,
job would be they might ask you some field. Okay, in the existing screen, we have the
mm-hmm.
policy info screen is there. Just add the some fields in it according to the client. Okay.
Okay,
So for example, they want to collect the policyholder age, policyholder name. Okay.
mm-hmm.
So or the vehicle number, any kind of thing. So they if they want to collect in the policy info screen itself only, then you have to add that.
Okay,
Okay. So you have to add that, right? Based on their guidelines, you have to drag and drop. Just drag and drop only, but you have to follow their guidelines. That's it.
got
So
it.
just now I showed you, right? So likewise, you can
Yeah,
drag and drop anything. Here, so many things. The entire UI is there here in drag and drop.
got it.
Okay. So entire UI can be able to see the toolbar. Toolbar is there. List view is there. Detail view is there. Choice button is there. Input set is there. So anything, everything is there here.
Hmm.
Just you have to drag and drop, but you have to know but as per the guidelines of the guideware only you have to do that. Okay, you can't drag and drop screen here. Okay, so from input set whatever you can do, that only possible. Your input sets, right? You can do atomic widgets within that. Okay, reverse is not possible. You see the screen, this the architecture, whatever they have given, you are in the input
Yeah,
sets, right? Input set, you can drag and drop the atomic widgets. It's possible,
yeah,
but screen is not possible. Okay, detail view is not
got it.
possible. Getting what I'm talking about?
Yes,
Okay, so whatever the
Okay,
direction they are given,
whatever they given, we can't change those.
yes,
So whatever we need, we can insert it.
exactly. Okay,
Okay.
so they are clearly given, right? Within the input sets, you can drag and drop the atomic widgets. N number of atomic widgets you can drag and drop it. But if you want to screen within the input sets, it's not possible. Okay,
yes.
so yeah, Sai Prasad, follow అవుతున్నారా?
Yeah.
సో ఇక్కడ ఈ స్క్రీన్ అంటే మనకి బెంచ్ మార్క్. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు గైడ్ వేర్ లో మన పాలసీ సెంటర్ లో ఉండాలంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా మీరు ఇంటర్ఫేస్ డెవలప్ చేయాలంటే ఇది ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చింది మనకి ఇదే. మనకి మీరు బైబిల్ అనుకోండి, భగవద్గీత, ఓకేనా, ఏదన్నా. సో ఇది వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చింది మొత్తం ఇది ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. ఇది ఫాలో అవుతూ మన స్క్రీన్ ని డెవలప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాపే, కాకపోతే మీరు ఏది పడితే అది డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తే వర్క్ అవ్వదు. ఓకేనా? సో ఇన్పుట్ సెట్స్ లో ఓన్లీ అటామిక్ విజెట్సే వర్క్ అవుతాయి. మీరు స్క్రీన్ లో ఉన్నారనుకోండి, విత్ ఇన్ ద స్క్రీన్ యూ కెన్ బి ఏబుల్ టు యూ సీ దట్ డీటెయిల్ వ్యూ, ఆర్ యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ద లిస్ట్ వ్యూ. ఓకే, సో ఆర్ కార్డ్ వ్యూ, లిస్ట్ డీటెయిల్ వ్యూ, ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ ఇట్. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ డెవలప్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
Okay.
సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో దీస్ డైరెక్షన్స్. ఓకే, క్లియర్, రైట్? Okay, so this the policy info input set is there na. This we will call it as a reusable input set. Okay, is a reusable actually. Okay, so why it's a reusable? We can use this in n number of times. Okay, so if you want to use this, we can use it in n number of times. So if you want this in the policy info screen or summary screen, okay, so even for the commercial purpose or business owners, wherever you want, you can use this this PCF. Okay, clear, right? Any doubts?
No.
ఓకే. సో, మీకు అర్థమైంది కదండీ ఇదంతా? ఏంటి అసలకి ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం ఏంటి? ఓకేనా? సో, కొంచెం క్లమ్జీగా ఉంటది స్టార్టింగ్. డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే ఎట్లా పడితే అట్లా డ్రాగ్ అండ్ డ్రాప్ చేస్తే అది స్క్రీన్
Yeah,
అవ్వదు,
Gopal.
యూజబుల్ అవ్వదు.
Whatever you are trying to say. Yeah, okay, Gopal. Whatever you are trying to say, we are understanding.
ఓకే.
But
నైస్.
your voice is
సారీ.
low and
సో,
we are
నో
unable to
యాక్చువల్లీ
hear
హియర్
properly.
హెవీ రెయిన్స్ నాగార్జున.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah,
ఓకే.
I understand.
సో,
I know that.
దట్స్ వై సమ్ ఇష్యూస్ ఐ యామ్ ఫేసింగ్ టుడే. ఐ విల్ ఫిక్స్ దట్. ఐ యామ్ సారీ.
That's fine.
ఓకే.
That's fine.
ఓకే.
You are going to share this PDF, right?
I will share you this PDF. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So shall I go ahead or shall I stop?
I mean, up to you.
Okay.
Yeah, same thing. Up to you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay, then you can say one thing like you said you are going to give task, right? So whatever you cover today, you can give us tasks about that.
no,
And
actually,
if you want us to prepare,
task is so I will share you this PDF today. Okay. So the PPT I will share you. So tomorrow I will ask you some basic questions.
yeah, that's what I am about to say. That whatever you said, the pages we will cover again. And if you want to give us some more pages to go through, we will go until that pages.
Go through this the PPT completely before tomorrow, before we are going to start class na. So I will ask you some basic questions. Okay. So just if you are comfortable and if you can explain it, that would be very great. Okay. Happily I can continue next class.
Yeah.
Without
Okay,
having
Gopal.
any doubt. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we'll do that actually. Instead of that, Nagarjuna will do one thing. Every day we'll follow the same process. So
Yeah, to be
okay.
honest, I'm
Next
happy
class
for
itself
that.
only. Next class 5 to 10 minutes we'll ask some questions. Yesterday class whatever we discussed na, so that it would be helpful to you actually. Okay.
That gonna give like a quick refresher.
Quick refresh instead of leaving the topic entirely. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I will do now, I will prepare some questions. Okay.
True.
So
Okay.
I will questions, I will prepare it and I will ask you. So can you explain Nagarjun this question? Can you explain Janvi? Likewise, I will ask in class. So if you could explain it, that would be very great. Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we will do it actually. Every day, 5 to 10 minutes, we will do that.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you. If you don't have any questions, sorry.
No, I was just saying have a good one.
Yeah. So yesterday videos I have shared you.
Yeah, I received that video.
You received, right? Yeah. Please go through them. Okay. So if anyone of you missed any topic, right? So let me know. Okay. So,
yeah. Okay, Gopal.
Okay.
So you shared like 4 videos: day 1, day 2, day 4, and day 5.
3 is the installation. Why?
Okay.
Even that also I will share you. Okay.
No, say you're done.
Okay. Thank you. We'll meet.
Yeah,
So
thank
hello,
you.
one second. So Saturday class. Shall we stop it? Maybe it's going to the Sunday, right? Nagarjun, what?
No. My actual thing is like if you are starting Monday early morning class from IST, it will be like Sunday evening for us.
Okay.
So it will be little hard if we want to plan something on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday maybe we can manage for that.
Okay, Monday
But
morning
it will
you are
be
saying, right?
no, but Yeah, Monday morning.
Okay, we'll do
For
some
us, it will be
alternative.
on
Okay,
Sunday evening.
Monday morning we'll do some alternative. Okay.
But I think I need to ask remaining people as well.
Yeah. That's what. Based on their inputs only, we'll discuss. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, what is this about?
Sorry.
Sorry, what is this about? Like Nagarjun is requesting for
Nothing, Sushant. Actually, for them, if they are conducting class on Monday morning, it will be on Sunday evening for us.
True. Yeah.
Yeah, so it will be hard if we plan something on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why I'm thinking about it. But if they want to say class on Saturday, for us, it will be Sunday morning for them. It will be hard for them, whoever attending from India.
Okay.
So that's why I
pretty
said
much
them to figure it out.
I'm Gopal, just to let you know, like I'm convenient with pretty much anything so far. Like for coming 1 or 2 months, I don't have anything big on my plate. So it's just that on the basically Tuesday class, like Tuesday morning class from India, that is Monday evening for us. Only that day I'm working. That's it.
Okay. So yeah, so we'll do some sort out actually, means based on their inputs. Okay.
Where are you from, Nagarjun?
Actually, I am from Texas.
Okay,
Austin.
okay.
Okay. Yeah. So
All right.
Okay,
Bye bye.
Gopal.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
We'll
you.
connect
Have a good
tomorrow.
one.
Thank you.
Hello, Gopal.